Okay, let's just stop this.
Stop what?
Just this fake talk. Let's just really talk about something like what's your favorite sport or anything. I don't know.
No. See, because when we first have that magical night when you and I were having a nice time, you told me that you love me and you always love me, but you're lying.
Yeah, I am lying.
Oh my god. Why? I thought you really loved me.
No,
You don't love me?
no, I don't love you anymore.
Is there anything I can do to make it better?
Excuse me, what?
Is there anything I can do to make you love me again?
Uh, I don't really know. You said I was in someone else's house and
Yeah.
locked in or whatever else you were saying. So I guess there's no way how I can go back to you. No, you said I got drugged or something and then got raped or something. You're saying something like that.
She did rape you.
How do you know? Were you there?
No.
What?
One of your very close friends told me that he raped you.
That's very interesting.
Got her to look